Hello guys, here Chris from Viaje Inteligente. Today one food with egg is food pretty good. I eat this food usually. I eat this food in the morning because have a lot of protein and it's good. It's light, not so heavy. Even when I put a lot of chili because I like the spicy thing, and the food is a little plain too when compared to with the another kind of food here in Thailand. This one coming with the salty egg. The salty egg is pretty strange how they make it because they put the egg in salt and they keep it in there for maybe a month or something, and next to that they take it and they boil and like take some properties, and the egg have one texture really strange but make the flavor really good. I love this kind of egg. For that I want to show you this food in Thailand. I like the video, and okay, go to the video and don't forget to follow me and subscribe. Okay, go to the video.
Well guys, the salty egg coming in this box. This one are the good one. Is the one place famous here in Thailand, coming like this, right? They in the box bring two different dates. One is for fry, another one for boil. You take the remove all this sand mix sand with salt. You need to remove it and clean it very well, and next to that you can fry. I will teach you how to fry. It's the same. You open it, you fry the egg. You will see the yellow part, so yellow and so thick. It's thick. No, it's liquid like the normal egg. The egg almost is already cooked. You fry normal, and next to that you can eat it. And I will try to eat it how the people eat it here. Okay, here is it's one rice, and I will try to eat it. Let's see. Well, it's really salty, and you can feel the salt in the egg. Is so salt, but it's good. But I prefer like next one.
Okay, this one is another option for egg. This one is a yolk. It's a soup, rice or porridge with rice. They come like this. They bring come one egg. This one is the egg, salty egg.
As this, then we wash before. Remember?
The egg I showed you before, and I will show you how to eat it here. One is like a pickle with vinegar or something. Chili, azúcar, green onion, ginger. This one should be have a pork, but I order without pork. Okay.
Now we go to open the egg that coming with the soup. Remember that this soup I buy coming with this egg, and the another egg, the salty egg, is the I showed you previously. This egg coming soft. You see?
Egg is soft, not so overcooked.
Bling. Now you can mix it really good.
Okay.
I love this dish.
Ginger and oregano.
Well, here the dry chili. I use only the dry chili because the sugar, I don't like to put sugar, but here in Thailand almost all dishes they put sugar. They add sugar to the food. The chili is so spicy and so good.
Yes, I'll put the salty egg.
Now we try to open the salty egg. The salty egg sometimes is so hard to open it. Let me use the spoon for help. But the texture is like a creamy, it's really good. I love this kind of egg. Well guys, we're almost done. This one is the soup, look like. You mix everything and yummy and you eat it.
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's like um food for the mama, for the grandma. Good.